Okay, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's my first time, so this is basically the first video of my YouTube channel. And so first of all, so I'm gonna design a logo for my YouTube channel. I'm trying this for the first time, so it's okay. I will search design a YouTube channel logo free. Okay, and you have Canva, you have so many sites, Canva, logo.com. Okay, I'll do a small change. YouTube channel AI logo free. Okay, now I have some sites. Yeah, I'm gonna try the first one. It's turbologo.com. So I'll put these links in the section in my video. So it says turbologo maker. Okay, there are some samples, I think. Okay, however, so I have placed this. It's my first time and experience new thing for the first time. And here are your company industry. There are lots of sections, lots of industries related to engineering, entertainment, and lots of it. I'm gonna do YouTube. There is YouTube. Okay, I'm gonna continue. You can choose up to 3 color palettes. So, okay, I'm gonna go with purple. Okay, I'm gonna choose icons for logo. Let's think something related. Yeah, it's used in YouTube. It's a chef. Okay. Okay, it's, yeah, I'm gonna go with, no, this one. Generate logo. It asks to sign up. I'm gonna sign up. Okay, I sign up using my Gmail. Okay, and yeah, here are some logos designs. So pretty interesting, I think. It's my first one. This is you can easily download them. It's no, you have to pay for downloading. So from this site you can design the logos, but you can't download. This is, so I'm gonna do a small trick. So I'm gonna zoom in the page and snipping tool. Okay, rectangle mode, new, and I'm gonna select this logo. Okay, I'm gonna crop a little bit, maybe no, I'm gonna save it. Okay, I'm gonna save it to folder. Let's rename it. It's my first time. Okay, my first time is good. So there are lots of more logos, and the thing is, this logo has some watermarks. So you can see here some watermarks. So you can easily edit it, I think. But I think I can design something like this easily. Pretty satisfied with this logo, but the thing is I have to remove these watermarks, and yeah, I'm gonna do it later. Okay, so in this video I just wanted to try something new, designing logos, AI based. Actually AI is now fast growing. Okay, it's my first time. It's gonna take, I think it will take some time. Sorry, here comes. Okay, from here, experience new for the first time. Save and YouTube technology entertainment brand attributes. Cool and creative, elegant, experienced, helpful. Okay, visual designers. Okay, all the selected colors. I'm gonna go with purple. Icon. This one is good, and this one is good. This one is good also. I think I can select another one. Okay, maybe this one. Okay, fonts. I don't care what the font is. Okay, is that it? Add more. Wow, I am very satisfied with these designs. Okay, nice. Actually, it's great. It's great. Yeah, I really like it. So yeah, it's great. Wait, there's option preview and edit logo. Here also you can see that watermark. So the thing is, you will get this kind of watermarks. This is not an issue. You can just easily edit these watermarks. So I'm gonna try that one also in another video. So just like the before, have a screenshot. So simple. And save it. This I will take this for the cover. There are so many websites, so you can try those websites. So Canva is, I think Canva is very good, pretty much good. So I think most of you know Canva, and but it's not based on AI. So actually, if you are creative, you can create those. You can do anything in Canva. You can design CVs, logos, posters, and kind of thing in Canva. But here I tried the AI based sites. So there are a few sites. So you have logo animators. So the thing is, most of them you can design these things, but to download you have to pay. So I'll try to find some way to download them also, and I will share with you that one also. So you can create and you can design lots of things, new ideas. It's my first time. Make your own logo. It's pretty simple. No designing, no Photoshop, no Illustrates. Just give the necessary details. YouTube, pick some logos you like. Cinematic Press. Okay, this is wow, good bully design. I would like something like this. So I'm gonna go for a red color. Okay, and a slogan. So experience new for the first click some symbol times. Fun, video, innovation, creativity. Okay, that's enough. So this is the last one I'm going to try. Okay, they are generating some logos for me. Okay. Oh, this is nice. Wow. Oh, this one is really it's simple and it's good. I'm gonna get this one definitely. Just like before, I'm gonna give some nice, very nice. It's simple and the colors are also good. The design also good. Okay, you have lots of design. Oh, it's my first time. This one is also good. Okay, you can generate more. Okay, I can't choose what to use. So okay, I just wanted to show you that you can do these things, you can design these things. Okay, it's very easy, but the thing is the same. Actually, you have this name and slogan and some random logo kind of thing is used. Text is different. So however, overall it's basically the same. So the thing is, if you can design your own logo, I think it will be more creative than this, better than this. But if you are not familiar with editing software, so designing software, so this is basically the fastest and easiest thing. So I think it is good. So thanks for seeing this video. So it's my first video, so definitely I am trying to improve in my further videos. So please subscribe and keep in touch. So definitely it will be more nicer or more great than this one, because this is my first video in YouTube. There are lots of things to change, lots of things to adapt. So thanks for being with me. So give it a like, subscribe, and let's see what we do in the future. So thank you all.